DiscoveryChannel.com. This is where we discuss your science test, MCA, coming up. Wow, it's going to be a tough struggle, but you better be ready, because I'm ready for this talk. Today on talk, we've got Jimmy Joe with Bob the Bear, and we got Richard the Doo from the Boondocks. Well, Richard being the Dean the Doo from the Boondocks. Will you tell us about your first experience with science?
I woke up this morning.
Alright, how about you? I don't remember your first name, Bob the Bear?
It's Bud the Bear.
Bud the Bear.
I'll be in the shop.
I met you in the shop
last week. Alright, well, science is everything that you wish it to be and everything you want it to not be. It's outside, it's living in you, it's living on you, so you better get to know it.
Is it safe to say science is real?
It's very safe to say.
Alright, it's safe to say. Well, on that note, we're going to send you off. Watch this nice little nature walk we've got going for you, and be ready for your MCA. I mean, just be confident with it. I mean, you've already taken a couple MCAs, some of you have, and this one's just going to be a breeze in the water. Cake in the copper ball. Hi, welcome to your science MCA video. We're the guys that made the previous two ones, too. This one we're going to cover all the different pieces of nature. You got anything to say over there, Big Buck?
No.
Alright. Well, let's just start with a tour of the nature walk. Alright. As you can see, we are in a condensed rainforest in the rainforest area of Africa.
The wind is howling.
The monkeys are howling.
The bears are mooing.
The bears are mooing.
And the cats are cracking.
Oh, look at this. This is commonly referred to as a bear scratching post. Bud the Bear, would you please demonstrate?
See, as the bear takes away the bark. Not much.
Now wipe your butt on it.
No. That's what they usually do.
This is a terrible bear. Let's keep moving. Wow.
Okay, you want to tell us about trees and the importance of light?
Okay, well, let's stop and look at a tree. Let's find one. Class, can you find a tree?
This one's
There.
dead.
Oh! Ow!
Oh,
There's a
we're not
tree.
gonna touch that
There's a
one.
tree.
There's a tree. Okay,
Ah.
dirty.
What's
What
your
about
name?
nature?
Rick? It said Gerald the Third. Wow. Well, would you tell us about why you're fun to live with?
Yeah, I produce oxygen sometimes, and then that's what you breathe
We
in.
breathe in oxygen.
No, wait, yeah, and then carbon dioxide too.
That's what they need.
All right.
And we breathe out carbon dioxide.
Thank you, Gerald. You're such a great guy. Okay, let's move on. Look at all this foliage.
Probably some decomposition going on.
Oh, would you tell us about
Austin.
bacteria?
Austin, bacteria. Composition. Look, the nitrogen cycle.
Whoa! Can you see it cycling? It's like a washing machine. Let's keep moving.
Okay.
I've heard milk cartons grow from that tree.
Wow.
There's one.
That's a
leaf. Okay. That's a big leaf.
rhubarb. Maybe.
I got a tick on my foot. Okay.
What do ticks do, Rick?
Oh, let's talk about ticks. What do ticks do, Rick?
What do ticks do, Nick? They insecticide.
Alright. This is quite the nature walk we've got so far.
Oh, look at that leaf.
What? In the wild? It's a stick! I once found this stick back in '92. Brings back great memories to see it again. It fell. Uh-oh. Where'd the bear go? Bud?
But the bear.
Oh no!
The bear!
Oh, it's Bud. Aw, you sly girl.
I thought it was Yogi.
Yogi's the one who puts out fires, right?
No. No, that's Paul Bryant.
Wow, look at this river.
Look at this erosion.
Ow!
Sorry.
Alright, see, this is what happens when water runs off on rocks. It gets all furry. It grows fur. And soon this will turn into baby bears.
No.
See? What?
No.
No.
That's a different class.
Oh, yeah. Let's keep moving. Pop quiz! How many leaves are in an oak tree? Well, this is kind of boring wood. There's all sorts of trees here.
What else would be in a wood?
I don't know, I'm looking for some kind of animal I can yell at.
Yeah, we got a bear with us.
What? Ah! Go! I'm going.
I've been here the whole time.
Well, thank you for joining us on our nature walk. I hope you learned a lot about stuff. Good luck on your MCAs.